And boom, just like that, the splitter is back on the CLA. Now you may be asking, why the hell was the splitter off the CLA in the first place? Well, the CLA quite literally got
So basically what happened was me and Franco were shooting up in Calaveras Hills in Milpitas, and when we came down the hill, stopped at the gas station. As I was pulling up, I just hear this side, psst, and I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Like, why is my front left bag airing out? But it wasn't airing out. The line came out, the leader line came out from the bag.
So the airline literally ripped out of there, and then it was such a painful process. Waited like 2 hours for a tow truck, and the car was completely aired out, so it was literally so difficult to freaking jack it up, and the side skirt kind of got loose and crushed a little bit because it was just so difficult to jack up. Got jacked up, got towed to a house, then got towed to the airlift shop. Just such a painful process. The second tow truck took like 6 hours, but the splitter was completely removed to prevent it from scraping when it was getting on the tow truck. And this car looks so stupid and ugly without the splitter on, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Pretty much. And yeah, so it's all back together now. And then right behind it, we got the homie Franco with the new halos on the car. You got the new halo headlights. Yo, Franco, hit on that daytime running light. And then we got this sticker too going up on the CLA. You already know, 6 stance, part of that 6 stance game. And boom, check it out. Those halos look insane. This is actually so cool. I'm super excited to see Franco's build too on his car. Because I'm trying to get Franco to get a splitter. Maybe I'll custom fab him something up and get a splitter on there, a little bit bigger spacers, right? Get that A1 fitment. That would be so clean. Then we got the CTS-V parked right back there and the Shelby. But it's basically like a garage update video. Update with the CLA. CLA is all good now. And in case you guys are wondering why the splitter's off, that's why. Announcement time. Crazy CLA right over here. Me, Franco. We're going to be at Monterey Car Week this upcoming weekend. Friday through Sunday night, we're basically going to be at Monterey Car Week just chilling. I'll be out in the Shelby Gt350. Come say what's up if you're there. It'll be dope to meet some of you guys fans, but I only have like 1,300 subscribers, so we'll see who we meet.
On Saturday the 14th, I will be taking this baby down to Monterey. What? This car will be entered and judged into the Legends of Autobahn car show. Check it out if you're there. It's at the Monterey Fairgrounds.
Yeah, so Monterey Fairgrounds, come catch the CLA out there and take a look at that deep dish wheels. This ain't no deep dish pizza from Zachary's. This is a deep dish wheel. It's way thicker. Look at that. Thick. But yeah,
hey,
you can come.
I wonder if you can fit in there.
Okay. Shelby's going, like I said, to Monterey. Now that we're talking about the Shelby, we're talking about the next thing in today's video, which is plans for the Shelby. What do you guys think of it? I'm thinking of getting catless mid pipes. Oh, I got an X pipe and I was like, oh, it's gonna be louder. I want louder, you know? I got the X pipe, I was satisfied, and now I drive the car around and sometimes I'm like, yeah, it's pretty damn loud, but then I want louder. So I'll still have the valves, want to go catless, B-lines, we'll see. Screw it, let's just lift up the cover and I'll show you guys it. So check out that beautiful paint. Every time I lift up the cover, I'm so excited with it. But what in the world is that? What the hell? But we've got a bunch of roadkill on here. But anyways, check out how rough the splitter's looking with all these rock chips. So glad I got PPF all over the front of the car, because I definitely do drive the crap out of the car. But GT350R splitter, this section's going to be going out more out to here, and then it's going to go kind of like that. So it's going to look really good with the GT350R splitter, which I really want to get. This wheel gap I'll get rid of by throwing in some lowering springs, some Ford Performance R lowering springs on the front and the back, and it'll close that gap a little bit right over here. And then also on the front, it's a 295 currently. I think I might go with the 305, so slightly push it out a little bit more and it'll look a lot thicker, the stance. And then on the back, we'll do the 315. So let's lift up that cover on the back. And the last thing that I want to do is I'm thinking of changing this out to the 2019 to 2020 GT350 spoiler that they have, or on the stock GT500 with the gurney flap. So let me know what you guys think of that. That I think will really sum up the build for the most part on the car. Wheels in the future, but that's honestly a big price point, the wheels. I'm not really willing to put that much money into the car at the moment. So if you guys want to see it, let me know down below in the comment section. We'll have plenty of driving videos coming with the Shelby. On the way to Monterey, I'll probably film a driving video with it. We're going to be doing some silly, stupid things in Monterey, having a lot of fun. Hopefully we'll meet some cool YouTubers out there. I really hope so. But anyways, as you can see, I definitely did do a lot of work on Crazy CLA's car, because look at the clothing I'm wearing. I had to get in my shop clothes to get it all fixed up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of it down below in the comment section, the plans with the cars and stuff. Let me know if I'll see you guys in Monterey Car Week. I'm super excited for that. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.
Virginia beat down, City the street down. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy.